So all of you mute your mic. So let us start the session. Today we are going to do some assertion and reasoning based questions from chapter number 12, Heron's formula. So let us start with the first introduction part. Assertion and reasoning questions. This 4 bits is common for all the questions, and according to the given statement under assertion and reason, we have to select the correct option. If suppose assertion and reason both are true and reason is the correct explanation, then we have to go for option A, right? And if assertion and reason both are true but reason is not the correct explanation, then option B. If assertion is true but reason is false, then option C. And the last one, if assertion is false but reason is true, then option D, right? So let us start with the first question. Assertion is given the sides of a triangle are in the ratio 3:4:5 and its perimeter is 144 centimeter. Then the area of the triangle is 864 centimeter square. And the reason it is given perimeter of a triangle A plus B plus C, where A, B, C are the sides of the triangle. So whether the statement given in reason it is correct, this one?
Yes, sir.
Yes. We know that the perimeter of a triangle is equals to A plus B plus C, where A, B, C are sides of a triangle. So reason is correct. Now we have to check for assertion. So the sides are in the ratio 3:4:5. So I'm going to take 3x, 4x, 5x, and the perimeter is 144. And we know that the perimeter is the sum of all the 3 sides. So 3x plus 4x plus 5x. What is the sum we are getting?
12.
Yes. 12x is equals to 144. So what is the value of x?
12.
12, right. So the value of x we got 12. So 3 into 12, 36, A. And B ले लेते हैं 4x, that is 4 into 12, 48. And C we are going to take 5x, that is 5 into 12, 60. So we got 3 sides. Now what is the semi-perimeter? Perimeter is given 144. What is the semi-perimeter?
72.
72. Very good. Now we are going to use the formula. So we are going to use which formula? Heron's formula, right. So the area of triangle is given by root over s into s minus b, s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. This is the Heron's formula. Now we are going to substitute s 72, a 36, b 48 and c 60, right. 72 minus 36 will be 36, 72 minus 48 is 24 and 72 minus 60 is 12. अब देखो 72 we can write 36 into 2, 36 को ऐसे रखेंगे and this we can write 2 into 12. Now say 36 is 2 times, 2 is also 2 times and 12 is also 2 times. So when we apply the square root, we will get 1 time each. That is 36 into 2 into 12, right? This is 2, 36 into 2 into 12. So 36 into 2 into 12 will be 864 centimeter square. So assertion is correct?
Yes, sir.
Right. And we have used the reason also, perimeter हम लोग use किए, A plus B plus C is the perimeter. So which option is the correct one?
Option A.
Right, option A. Both assertion and reason are true, and the reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Now we are moving toward the second question. Total 15 questions है. The area of the triangle whose sides are 42 centimeter, 34 centimeter and 20 centimeter in length is 336 centimeter square. The reason is given if 2s is equals to a plus b plus c, that is perimeter, where a, b, c are the sides of a triangle, then area of triangle is equals to s into root over s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Whether reason statement is correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ये देखो correct है?
No, sir.
Wrong है ना? S root के अंदर होना चाहिए. So the correct statement is root over s into. Okay, this is the correct statement. We know that if 2s is equals to a plus b plus c, where a, b, c are the sides of a triangle, then the area of triangle is equals to root over s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. So reason is not correct. Now we have to check whether assertion is correct or not. Okay, so let A is equals to 42 centimeter, B is equals to 34 centimeter, and C is equals to 20 centimeter. Okay, so now what is the perimeter we are getting? 42 plus 70, 34, 76, 20, 96 by 2, semi-perimeter, 48. Okay, now we'll write the formula, area of triangle, Heron's formula. Now we'll substitute S is equals to 48, A is equals to 42, B is equals to 34, and C is equals to 20. So 48 minus 42 is 6, 48 minus 34 is 14, and 48 minus 20 is 28. Right. Now 48 को हम लोग split करेंगे 8 into 6, क्योंकि 6 already है इसलिए. So that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 6, and 14 ऐसे ही रखेंगे. 28 को 14 into 2 लिख सकते हैं. So see, 2 का पेयर हो गया और एक 2 का पेयर हो गया, 6 का और 14 का. So when we take square root, we'll get 2 into 2 into 6 into 14. Okay, so that means 24 into 40, 336 centimeter square. So assertion is correct. So which option is the correct one?
Option C.
Option C, very good. Assertion is true, but reason is false. Now we are moving towards third question. The sides of a triangle are in the ratio 5 is to 12 is to 13, and its perimeter is 150 meter. Then the area of the triangle is 750 meter square. Now reason, if 2s is equals to a plus b plus c, that is perimeter, where a, b, c are the sides of a triangle, then area of triangle is equals to root over s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Whether reason is correct?
Yes, sir.
Right. So this formula is correct. So reason is correct. Now we have to check for assertion. So let the sides be 5x, 12x and 13x, and the perimeter is given 150. Right. So what is the sum of 5x, 12x and 13x?
30x.
30x. 30x is equals to 150. So what is the value of x?
5.
5. Right. So 5 into 5, 25 हो जाएगा A, and B, let it be 12x, 12 into 5, 60. C, 13 into 5, 65. Right. Now perimeter is given 150. So what is the semi-perimeter?
75.
75. Very good. Now we'll write the formula, Heron's formula. Area of triangle is equals to root over s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. So we'll substitute s 75, a 25, b 60 and c 65. 75 minus 25 is 50, 75 minus 60 is 15, and 75 minus 65 is 10. Right. So 75 को हम लोग 15 into 5 लिखेंगे, and this we will write 5 into 10. बाकी 15, 10 ऐसे रखेंगे. Now 15 is 2 times, 5 is 2 times, and 10 is 2 times. Right. So after square root, we'll get 15 into 5 into 10. 15 into 5 75 होता है, 75 into 10 750. So assertion is also correct. So which option is the correct one?
Option A.
Option A, right. Both assertion and reason are true, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion, right? So now we are moving toward question number 4. The side of an equilateral triangle is 6 centimeter. Then the area of triangle is 9 root 3 centimeter square. All the sides of an equilateral triangle are equal. Whether the statement given in reason is correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes. We know that all the sides of an equilateral triangle are equal. So reason is correct. But क्या reason की जरूरत है अपने को assertion में?
No, sir.
No. Reason is not. We will not use reason in that assertion. So definitely, reason is not the correct explanation for assertion. Now we have to check for assertion. Right. Perimeter is. We know that the perimeter of equilateral triangle is 3a, that is 3 into side, and side is given 6 centimeter, so 3 into 6 will be 18, right? And so what is the semi perimeter?
9.
9, right. 18 by 2. Now we'll use the Heron's formula, that is root over s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. S का value 9, a 6, 6, 6, right. सब में 3 आ जाएगा, 3, 3, 3. So ये तो एक 3 बाहर आ जाएगा, इसमें दूसरा 3 and 1 3 will be left here. So that is 9 root 3 centimeter square. So assertion is also correct. But reason is not correct explanation of assertion. So which option is the correct one?
Option B.
Option B, right. See, the area can be calculated by using another formula, root 3 upon 4 side square. Okay, this formula also we can use. So root 3 upon 4 side square means 6 square, 36. So ये भी cancel हो रहा है देखो. We can use this formula also. So 9 root 3 centimeter square. Okay, so now we are moving towards question number 5. If the area of a triangular field whose sides are 91 centimeter, 98 meter, एक मिनट, इसको 91 मीटर ही लिखो, and 105 meter in length is 4,116 meters square, then the height corresponding to the longest side is 78.4 meter. And reason is given, area of triangle is equals to half into base into height. Right. So whether formula is correct? Reason mein?
Yes, sir.
Right. So reason is correct. Now for assertion, which is the longest side here?
Not sir.
105 meter. Right. And area is given 4,160. And we know that area of triangle is given by this formula, half into base into height. So 4,116 is equals to half into 100 into इसको h ले लेंगे, right? So h will be 4,116 into 2 divided by 105. अगर इसको simplify करोगे तो we'll get 78.4 meter, which is the correct answer. It is given in the assertion. So assertion is also correct. Now which option is the correct one for this question?
Option A.
Option, very good. Both assertion and reason are true, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Right? So now we are moving toward question number 6. If the area of the triangle whose sides are 18 centimeter, 24 centimeter, and 30 centimeter, in the length is 216 centimeter square, then the length of the altitude corresponding to the smallest side is 24 centimeter. The reason is given, if all sides of a triangle are not equal, then the triangle is scalene triangle. So reason में जो statement दिया वो correct है?
Yes, sir.
So that means reason is correct. Okay. Now for assertion, which is the smallest side?
18.
18.
18, right. And area is given 216 centimeter square. And we know that area of triangle is equals to half into base into height. So we'll substitute area of triangle base 18 and height will take it as h, right? So 216 into 2 by 18, okay? ये 18 से cancel होगा, we'll get 2, 12. 12 into 2 is 24 centimeter, okay? So the reason is also, the assertion is also correct. So which option is the correct one? Reason we have not used, na? This is not required.
Option B.
Option B, right. So both assertion and reason are true, but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion, right? So now we are moving toward question number 7. Assertion. The edges of a triangular board are 6 centimeter, 8 centimeter and 10 centimeter. The cost of painting it at the rate of rupees 9 per centimeter square is rupees 216. And the reason is given, if 2s is equals to a plus b plus c, where a, b, c are sides of a triangle, then area of triangle is equals to root over s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Whether the reason is correct?
Yes.
Right. The formula is also correct. It is given. So reason is correct. Now we have to check for assertion. So let a is equals to 6 and b is equals to 8 and c is equals to 10. Right? And we will find the perimeter first. 6 plus 8 plus 10. कितना आ रहा है?
24.
By 2?
12.
12. So semi-perimeter we got 12. Now we'll use Heron's formula to get the area of the triangular board. Right? So this is Heron's formula. Now we are going to substitute S is equals to 12, A is equals to 6, B is equals to 8, and C is equals to 10. So 12 minus 6 is 6, 12 minus 8 is 4, and 12 minus 10 is 2. So 12 into 6 into 4 into 2. ध्यान से देखो ये 6 into 2 12 हो जाएगा, and 112 is already here, and 4 is a perfect square. So we'll get 12 into 2, that is 24 centimeters square. Now cost of painting 1 centimeter square is given rupees 9. So the total cost is 24 into 9. 24 into 9 is 216. Okay. So which option? So assertion is also correct. Which option is the correct one?
Option A.
Option A.
Option A, right. Both assertion and reason are true, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Right? So now we are moving toward question number 8. If the perimeter of an equilateral triangle is 60 meter, then the area is 100 root 3 meters square. The reason is given, area of equilateral triangle is equals to root 3 by 4 side square. Whether the formula is given correct in the reason?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Right.
sir.
That means reason is true. Correct. Right. Now we have to check for assertion. Perimeter is given 60 meter. So perimeter is 3A. Right. So 3A is equals to 60. So what is the value of A?
20.
20.
20 meter. Right. Now we'll use this formula. Root 3 by 4 side square. That is the area of equilateral triangle. So the value of A is 20, and 20 square means 20 into 20. So A 20 हम लोग cancel कर सकते हैं. So we are getting 100 root 3. Right? So that means assertion is also correct. So which option is the correct one?
Option A.
Right, option A. Both assertion and reason are true, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Now we are moving toward question number 9. The length of each side of an equilateral triangle having an area of 9 root 3 centimeter square is 8 centimeter, and the area of equilateral triangle is given root 3 upon 4 side square. So this formula is correct.
Yes.
So that means reason is correct. Now we have to check for assertion. Right. So we'll write the formula first. Area of equilateral triangle, that is root 3 upon 4 a square, and that is equals to 9 root 3. Okay. So see, root 3 will be cancelled, and we'll get a square is equals to 9 into 4, 36. So what is the value of a?
6.
6 centimeter. So assertion is correct?
No, sir.
No. So assertion is not correct. So which option is the correct one?
Option B.
Option D. Very good. Assertion is false, but reason is true. Right. So now we are moving toward question number 10. If the area of an equilateral triangle is 9 root 3 centimeter square, then the semi-perimeter of the triangle is 24 centimeter. And semi-perimeter of a triangle is S is equals to A plus B plus C by 2, where A, B and C are the sides of a triangle. Whether the reason, the statement is correct?
Yes, sir.
Right. So reason is correct. Okay. And we'll check for assertion. The area of equilateral triangle is given 9 root 3. Okay, 9 root 3 centimeter square. And the formula of area of equilateral triangle is root 3 upon 4 side square. That is a square. So यहाँ पर just now we did this one. Root 3 cancel हो जाएगा. Okay, this 2 will be cancelled. And a square is equals to 4 into 9, that is 36. And the square root of 36 is actually plus minus 6, but we have to take plus only because side is never negative. So now semi-perimeter is a plus b plus c by 2, that is 6 plus 6 plus 6 by 2, right? And this is 9 centimeter. But in the assertion it is given 24 centimeter. So assertion is not correct. So which option is the correct one?
Option D.
Option D, right? Assertion is false, but reason is true. Now we are moving toward question number 11. If the area of an equilateral triangle is 81 root 3 centimeter square, then its height is 9 root 3 centimeter. and reason is given if 2s is equals to a plus b plus c, where a, b, c are the sides of a triangle, then the area of triangle is equals to root over s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. So whether the formula is correct in the reason?
Yes, sir.
Right, this is correct. So reason is correct. Now we have to check for assertion. Area of equilateral triangle, the formula is root 3 upon 4 a square, and that is given 81 root 3. So here again root 3 will be cancelled, and we'll get a square is equals to 81 into 4. 81 is also perfect square, 9 square, and 4 is also perfect square, so square root हो जाएगा 9 into 2. So what is the value of a?
9.
9 into 2, 18. Okay, right. Now the formula of height is root 3 upon 2a. Okay, so root 3 upon 2 into 8. So ये cancel करो यहाँ पर. So we are getting 9 root 3 centimeter. So assertion is correct, but reason is the correct explanation.
No, sir.
So which option is the correct one?
Option B.
Option B, right? Both assertion and reason are true, but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. Right, now we are moving toward question number 12. If the area of an equilateral triangle is 16 root 3 centimeter square, then the perimeter of the triangle is 24 centimeter. And the reason is given, area of equilateral triangle is equals to root 3 upon 4 side square. So this formula is correct.
Yes, sir.
So reason is also correct. So now we have to check for assertion. So the area of equilateral triangle, the formula is root 3 upon 4 a square, and that is given 16 root 3. So root 3 will be cancelled, and we'll get 4 into 16, that is 64. So 64 का square root 8 होगा, and the perimeter of equilateral triangle is 3 into 8, that is 3 into 8 will be 24. Otherwise you can use that formula also, a plus b plus c, right? So but यहाँ पे मैं 3 into a use कर रहा हूँ, that is 3 into 8, 24 centimeter. So assertion is also correct. So which option is the correct one?
Option A.
Option A, right. Both assertion and reason are true, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion, right? So now we are moving toward question number 13. The perimeter assertion, the perimeter of a triangle is 36 centimeter, and its sides are in the ratio a is to b is to c, that is equals to 3 is to 4 is to 5. Then a is equals to 9 centimeter, b is equals to 12 centimeter, and c is equals to 15 centimeter. And the reason is given, perimeter of a triangle is equals to a plus b plus c, where a, b, c are sides of a triangle. So whether this reason, the statement is correct?
Yes, sir.
Right, perimeter is the sum of all three sides, right? The reason is correct. Now we are going to take a is equals to 3x, b is equals to 4x, and c is equals to 5x, right? So let the sides be 3x, 4x, and 5x. Now perimeter is given 36. That means the sum of these three sides is given 36. What is the sum of these three sides? 3x, 4x, 5x?
12x.
12x, right. So this will imply 12x is equals to 36. So what is the value of x?
3.
3, right, very good. So a कितना आ जाएगा देखो? A will get 3 into x. So 3 into 3, 9 centimeters. So what is the value of b? 4x, 12 centimeter, right. What is the value of c?
15 centimeters.
15 centimeter, right. So assertion is also correct. So which is the correct option?
Option A.
Option A, right. That is, the both assertion and reason are true, and the reason is the correct explanation of assertion, right. So now we are moving toward question number 14. Question number 14, the sides of a triangle are in the ratio of 25 is to 14 is to 12, and its perimeter is 510 meter. Then the greatest side is 140 meter. And the reason is given, perimeter of a triangle is equals to a plus b plus c, where a, b, c are sides of a triangle. So the formula, the statement given in reason is true?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, because perimeter of triangle is the sum of all the three sides, right? So reason is correct. Now we have to check for assertion. So the ratio of sides is given. So let the ratio of sides be, let the sides be 25x, 14x, and 12x. And the perimeter is given 510. So the sum of all these three is 510. What is the sum we are getting?
51x.
51, right. 510 is the perimeter. So 51x is equals to 510. So what is the value of x?
10.
10, right. So we are getting A is equals to 25 into 10, that is 250. B is 14x, that means 140. And C is 12x, that means 120. So what is the greatest side here we are getting?
250.
250.
250. That means assertion is wrong. So which option is the correct one?
Option D.
Option D, right. Assertion is false, but reason is true. Now we are moving toward the last question of today's session, that is 15th question. The sides of a triangular plot are in the ratio of 3:5:7 and its perimeter is 300 meter. So its area is 1500 root 3 meter square. And the perimeter of triangle is A plus B plus C by 2, where A, B, C are the sides of a triangle. Whether the statement is correct?
No, sir.
No. This is actually semi-perimeter, not perimeter, right? So reason is not correct. Okay? Because perimeter of a triangle is sum of all the three sides of a triangle. Now we have to check for assertion. So the ratio of sides is given 3:5:7. So let the sides be 3x, 5x and 7x, and the perimeter is given 300 centimeter. So what is the sum of these three?
15x.
3x, 5x and 7x. 15x.
15x.
15.
Right, 15x. So what is the value of x?
20.
20. Very good. So the sides are 3 into 20, 60. 5 into 20, 100. 7 into 20, 140. उसी को A, B, C ले लेते हैं. Right. Now perimeter is given 300. So what is the semi-perimeter?
150.
150, right. So now we know that the area of triangle is given by this formula, Heron's formula. So in this formula we will substitute the value of S, A, B and C. S is 150, A is 60, B is 100 and C is 140. So 150 minus 60 is 90, 150 minus 100 is 50, 150 minus 140 is 10. So 150 into 90 into 50 into 10 aa gaya. 150 we can write 3 into 5 into 10. 90 we will write 3 into 3 into 10. 50 5 into 10 into 10. देखो सब पेयर में आ गया सभी, ऑल आर इन पेयर. 3 को छोड़कर, एक 3 को छोड़कर, सी 2 3 2 10 another 2 10 and 1 5, right? So 5 into 3 into 10 into 10. So we are getting 1500 root 3 meter square. So assertion is correct. So which option is the correct one?
Option D.
Option C. Right? Assertion is true, but reason is false. So this is the last question of today's session. So that's all for today's session. Thank you. Thank you very much.